Hello guys, Jake Cutter from Motor Bros here. We just literally got our new part in today. I hope you guys enjoy this one. And thank you for watching YouTube videos lately. We've been honestly surprised by how many of you guys like the channel. So we will have more videos coming soon, either on the scooter or our new truck when it gets here. That was supposed to be a surprise, but
your dumbass ruined that.
Yeah, I did, fortunately. We had to scrap our old truck because
don't say
I'm not saying nothing about it. Nope. We should have scrapped it because something stupid happened to it.
Right now I am doing the piston rings, so just give me a few and
It's watching you.
With you shortly.
And just so you know, I'm involved in videos too.
Except she's the poor cameraman.
Shut up. God, you're a knucklehead.
Where the hell is this stupid guy? I need a flathead. Thing is being a pain. Come on, thank you. Oh, I hate dealing with these.
And sorry guys, it took us so long making the video, but we were
waiting on parts
and funds. That too. Well, funds weren't that hard to get, but still. Yeah, that part took less than a week to come by, dude.
It took 3 days. No, 2 days.
Dang nabbit.
What?
Camera's fogging up.
My face is here.
There goes, I got it, I think.
This thing is being a pain in the butt. Thank you.
More raw content for you guys.
Now just to get the stupid top one in.
We're get the second one in?
The ring.
Yeah, the second ring, that's what I'm talking about. There's no room for us to do this anymore.
Yes, there is. We have the sidewalk.
I'll just scoot up for us so I can sell it.
Sucks that that thing has to go.
Oh, it might be kept, I don't know. I don't know yet.
Where the hell are you gonna store it?
Backyard, but the problem is it's gonna rain over there, so I might have to. No choice but to sell it. Can't keep it in the garage anymore.
Which one's thicker?
That one's thicker than that one is.
No, that one's actually thin. This one goes right about my fucking ankle.
That goes on the second one.
That one goes on the second one. This one goes
on top.
right
On top.
on the bottom. Come on. Perfect. There we go.
Are those the same ones we used last time, gaskets wise?
Yes, it is. Get the spark plug out of that head right there.
I suppose I could do a spark plug for you.
Yep.
Okay, so that's at top dead center, so that's a good thing.
This would be the exhaust shovel, which we do not need at the minute.
You get this. This one will be that tight. It's bigger tight. So how you tight it could have thread itself from falling out. And possibly ruined our engine.
No, it wouldn't have ruined our engine. It would have just shut off.
Oh yeah, dude, that was rich. I was running rich.
Let me see.
Woo, yeah. Damn. Oh shit.
Well, we got a problem.
What now?
Completely wrong spark plug. We have to this one's different size. Too big. So we're gonna have to reuse this for right now. Okay, well, I'm gonna put the freaking, see if I can, I gotta go find the damn pliers. Fudge, hang on. He's old, dude.
Give me a second. The guy with the blue truck is gonna bring it over to us?
Yes.
Why? Because he felt bad or something, or?
He felt bad, I guess, because we haven't been able to get it because everything keeps happening, so he's gonna bring it over to us.
Tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow evening,
Shit.
after 5. I think that's when he gets off work. Like sometime after 4, he gets off work and he's gonna bring it to us. So this is the intake, so this one's gonna go this way. Oh, this is a pain in the ass every time.
Yeah, I explained to Dad what happened with this one, why we ain't registered the studio or whatever. That's because I told him, like, I don't have my motorcycle license, nor does Dakota, so we can't insure either way it goes.
Talk to Dad about that?
Yeah.
Why did he want us to register it in the first place?
So Lando thinks we registered this fucking scooter.
Oh, is that really what did Dad tell him that?
No,
Did you tell him that?
I told him if he gets registered, that's the lie, so.
Dumbass. Why would you tell him that knowing it wasn't? Dumbass.
Because I wanted him to say, get the fuck out of here. Like, where the hell are we gonna store this damn thing? Like
There's
Dad
a chance
said.
that we can store it at Dan's house, but I doubt it.
It's like it's like Dad said. Drug dealers tip and mechanics go.
It's fucked up, I know. But not much we can really do about it. Because that's at dead center, so I should be able to just put this motherfucker on. Get no issues. Really, boy? Perfect. That actually worked out better than I thought it would. Now for the other side.
Still recording?
I think so.
Yes, it is. 17 minutes now. You gotta love assholes.
What do you expect for the hood?
Oh, there's still oil in here. I think most of it's
In the
water though.
scooter? Yeah, of course there is, dumbass. Hold the piston, please.
Hold the piston.
Just don't move the rings. Just hold the piston. That's it. Giving me a problem. Shit. God damn it. Oh, fuck. It's a pain in the butt. Doesn't help that these are in the fucking way.
Even with those in the way, you still fuck up.
Shut the hell up. Yeah, a lot of these are like fucking cars. Doesn't help that the fucking push it in.
And that's it.
No, almost though. There we go, that's it.
Phew. Oh, damn. That was the most tedious process.
Yeah. I was afraid of you moved the piston rings. This one has to.
I moved them?
Yeah, I got it first. There we go, there we go. Okay, now watch out. Watch out.
I have new gaskets. Why do we make these out of paper?
I have no idea, dude. Honestly, I have no idea.
Hope this will solve our oil leak problem.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping too. Are you kidding me? That would
I think it goes
Yeah.
there, dude.
goes there like this. You don't know how the scooter works, dumbass?
I do it down. And then the paper gasket can go down first.
No, you're joking.
Does you don't look confused?
Drake, shut up. This isn't my first time. Probably won't be the last either. Come on, you bitch. Thank you. I want to break this damn gasket.
Can you break the other one?
Well, the first one that you got, yeah. Because the fucking packaging was fucking stupid as hell.
We should have power TV on there?
Probably not. That would be a very bad idea. course, my dumbass forgot the stupid timing chain. I'm gonna have a fun time putting that damn thing through.
¿Son mecánicos ustedes de moto?
No habla español.
Ah, no hablo español.
No Spanish, no.
Ah, sí, son malos. Thank you.
English, motherfucker. That's the first thing you learn down here. God damn.
They don't give a damn.
Not prejudice or nothing, but shit. Well, fucking English, goddammit.
Good luck with that.
Doesn't no habla mean you don't understand? You don't speak Spanish or something like that?
Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, stand up for a minute. Stand straight the fuck up for a
Freaking
minute.
blood sugar. Jesus Christ. Freaking blood sugar, bro. I hate that.
I know, it sucks.
This part's gonna be hella fun. Of course, because this fucking plastic shit right here is in the way.
You got it right on the fucking piston thing.
I know, I'm trying not to scar it, but it's being a pain in the ass.
I almost kicked it over. Try to get the piston in, guys.
It's a very tedious process.
I'm trying to get the timing chain and the piston in, that's it.
Hold on, don't do anything yet. Drake, seriously? Why
Alright.
did you take it out?
I didn't take it out at all.
Yeah, you did. Took the piston out, dumbass. Okay, hold on, stop.
What?
Drake, you're moving the piston rings. That's why I said don't bother. Not my first rodeo, dude. Gotta
mine
do this
either.
gently. Oh, fuck.
I'm the one that put. I'm the
That
one.
doesn't help. Shit, man. It's a pain in the butt. Okay, push the stupid cylinder head down. Chill. Push it down. No, hold on. Stop. That's stupid. Gotta put it back on top of the cylinder. Okay, push it down.
I'm pushing it down, dude.
No, boy, chill. Okay, push it down. Okay, stop. Don't push it down that hard. I gotta be able to keep this thing up. Damn it. Ugh. Drake, stop pushing it. Okay, push it. Continue. Continue pushing it. Damn it. This fucking thing is being a pain in the ass. Where's the stupid button? There it is. Damn it! Exactly what I was fucking afraid of. Hang on, I gotta make sure this is all right again. Okay. Okay, go for it. Forgot how much of a pain this was. Push it. Push it. First one's in. Push it. Push it. Push it.
Second one's in, I think. Yep. Oh, that one. Just gotta take a third one in.
Ah, my fucking joints. Okay, push it down. Okay, stop.
We're going in.
Shit, the Drake, you're supposed to keep it down.
I was!
Well, now they both all came out. Okay, push it. Ow, hold on. Damn it. Fuck! Push it. Gotta keep pushing it down, dude. Damn it. Fuck me, man. I forgot how hard this was to do. You wanna? Be careful.
I knew.
Damn it, Drake.
I was just fucking I'm done.
It's not your fault, dude. These piston rings are hella hard. And one of them popped out. Okay. That's why one of them popped out. It's always hard to do piston rings. This is why they make a tool for this, but we don't own one, so. Dude, stop. Just stop. Just brought it back out. It's a very tedious process.
Yes, it is, unfortunately.
What's with you in that word?
You say all day on time, I want to hear it.
Because I got it from you on the 4th. See? Got it from you, sadly. Damn it, bro. This is a pain in the ass. damn it. Okay, I need to get something to drink. You want to get this? Try and get this car. Gotta be careful. The rings have to stay exactly where they are.
And what's that staying where they're at? This fucking piece of shit.
Well, I guess me and you and Amanda have to go to McDonald's to eat. Dad and Shy are eating something by themselves.
There's no really good fuck. I mean, I don't. You wanna be fucking lazy? Let him. I'm gonna fuck.
You're getting pissed off at it, aren't you?
No, Tom, I'm sick and tired. Everybody knows. Wait. Fuck you.
Damn, boy, chill. Okay, boy, calm
Fucking
down.
hand, man. It's my hand. Locking up.
Happens a lot. Something to be ashamed of. Well, it happens to me sometimes, but that's when I'm in tight spaces. Stop. You missed the piston ring.
How does the piston ring?
You moved. They moved it. It's not that big of a deal.
Okay, first I want to do something right. It's pissing me off.
Everybody doesn't do anything right, dude. Act
Oh,
like
it
you're
is.
the first.
There it goes.
Yeah, because of me.
There it is. You got the time chain in.
I know, no shit. Shut the fuck up.
You just got the piston in. Damn, that's hard.
Well, we said it's time consuming. That's why I didn't think it would. God damn it!
What? Crap?
Fucking joints are locking up. Motherfucker, come here. Damn it! This is really fucking aggravating. This timing chain is a pain in the ass. Dude, stop. You just stop. Stop. Just stop.
What?
Just stop. Holy fuck. hate doing that goddamn timing chain. Okay, just hold it there. Hold the timing chain right there. Go under the scooter, genius. I gotta be able to go up here. Oh, you gotta take something out. Come that melting right here. Shut up. Oh, it's that.
Yeah.
Shit. Oh, great.
We gotta take the whole thing out again.
Yep, we do. Fuck. Which is kind of sucky. That's very unfortunate. Fucking plastic. Jesus Christ. I don't give a shit right now. It's pissing me off.
I give a shit because the shit gets wet.
It's not gonna hurt it right now, dude. It's not raining, is it? Fucking piece of shit.
Angry, dude. Damn.
Sorry, boo, but this thing's fucking pissing me off. Collect all the bolts if you can.
What the hell is this?
I don't know. I don't care. Collect all the bolts.
There's one. Oh, what's right here? Good thing out?
Yeah, I got it out. I switched its position. Fucking bitch. And this. Dude!
Christ.
And there's our carburetor gasket, genius. Put that back. The hell? You okay?
No, I'm not, brother. I can't tell what's wrong either because it's probably off and on depression. Again.
Wouldn't doubt it. Mother.
I'll stop holding it because I'm gonna just cause it worse.
Wait, what the hell?
What?
How the hell did that end up all the way the fuck down there, Drake?
I don't know.
That actually went by smoother than the, oh my god.
The first time?
Yeah. That pisses me off. Alright. Please help me get this stupid thing back. I can kill this fucking machine.
I can kill it. You don't even want the scooter anymore, do you?
Oh, I do. I love this scooter. It's just a pain in the ass sometimes.
Trust me, dude. When I fished on the scooter before, trust me, Carl, okay?
Hold the chain. Bottom.
Oh, but I saw the oil problem.
Yeah, solid dry. Damn, there we go. That was a pain.
Now for the cylinder head.
Why did you put it upside down in dirt? Okay. I'm gonna put this on here first. Oh shit, I forgot the goddamn gasket.
Dumbass.
Put the timing chain through there. Just like that. Can I put the timing chain through that? Perfect. Don't you even think about it, you bitch. Perfect. Okay. Oh. We're gonna have to spin the engine over somehow. Oh wait, forgot we can just do this. Okay, put this bolt in here for right now. So you know, that's that top bolt center. What's happened? Probably should bolt it down first.
No.
Okay, hold the timing chain there. Gotta bolt it down through the bottom, dude. I gotta go through the bottom. Hold the timing chain there. I gotta fucking. What's up? Huh? What? Sure. Yes.
I got all the way. He's going in, dude. You're not turning that all the way.
I'm not. Shut up. How did I do this before?
The wrench.
No, this was with the stubby, I think. But I don't know where the fuck the stubby is. Well, it actually could have been with the long A, but again, I don't know where the fuck that one is.
I don't know where it is either, to be honest with you.
Go look in your toolbox for a long A, please.
No, that chain go on the block.
Actually, no, I got it. You just hold my chain.
Ouch! 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 It's so hot out here for the wind.
It's a 5/16. We gotta fucking seriously. What Okay, yeah, this is probably gonna need your study. Where the hell is the stubby?
I don't know.
Not a lot of fucking help.
The guy didn't know he had a doctor's appointment?
No, I think it was his mother. I don't know. But the guy didn't know they had a doctor. His friend had a doctor's appointment, so we couldn't get the truck today. He said this is. I think he thought this was ridiculous, so he just said that he's gonna give us to us. He's gonna come by to our house tomorrow evening after he's done with work.
Give it to us for $100?
500, dumbass.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I just said, damn.
You said 100.
I said 500.
You said
goddammit.
you said 100.
I said 500. goddammit.
You said 100. That shit was only supposed to be still. Perfect.
Alright. Oh my god.
Well, first I gotta fucking spin it to make sure it's that top dead. I need a fucking flathead. Let's spin it to make sure it's that top dead center. I need a smaller fucking screwdriver. This is ridiculous. Now we just gotta get the timing gear in here.
So guys, taking us so long. It's been a while since we've done one of these.
A long ass time. Son of a bitch!
What now?
No, you fucking do not. The timing chain almost fell down. Come on. Where's your other idler, the timing chain guide?
I know there's only one.
No, there's one on the bottom too. We need that guide, dude. Otherwise, we cannot put this thing all the way back together.
There was never a second class guy.
Yes, there was. Alright guys, we're gonna have to end this video here. We're missing a guide and we cannot finish this project. Peace out.